Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Happy Monday. It is Monday the 9th, August 9th. Can't believe it's already August 9th already. Give everybody a few minutes here to log in. I'm going to be making a, what did I call it? Oh, Mill 6 raspberry lemonade today. Wait till I go live. Hopefully I see some people joining. Hello, Terry. Hello, Brenda. Thanks everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. Oh, Marcus wants to be in my video. Should I allow him in my video? I don't even know how to do that. But Marcus is sitting right there, wants to be in my video.
Testing it out.
If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Connie. Some of you I haven't seen on in a while, so thanks for joining me once again. Let's see here. So it is Monday. It is our new $9.99. Marcus, what is the $9.99 special this week? Oh, beef teriyaki. So I have beef teriyaki with broccoli and onions and rice is our $9.99 special to go. Remember, our full menu is available to go. And you can call and order at any time, 647-3000, 845-647-3000. We have our beer dinner tonight. We do have a couple of spots left if anybody's interested. It is Stone Vertical Beers, so 4 beers and a dish for $29, and the dish is going to be lamb chops. So that is really good. That's a great deal, $29 for 4 beers and a dish. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We have jazz again on Thursday, 6:30 outside in our garden. Looks like it's going to be nice out, so we'll be outside this evening in our garden area. And let's see. Hello. Did 8 miles today. Need a drink. Awesome, Ann. That's awesome. Hello, Hillary. Hello, Sean. Don't forget, we still do have some groceries available. You know, I've been getting a lot of calls again about groceries. Get your freezers restocked with chicken and ribeyes and fish and things like that. We have wild salmon, we have halibut, mahi-mahi. So you can still buy groceries from us. Hasn't been a huge push, but as September rolls around, we'll start pushing that again. You can buy groceries. We cannot sell alcohol to go, wine or liquor bottles anymore, but we can sell groceries. So if you want groceries, let me know, send me an email. Just contact me and call me if you want groceries. Some days are easier than others to get things done, especially during the summer. So once September rolls around again, we'll have our grocery list up to date, and we'll get that going again. So thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Hello, Anne Marie. Hello, Ralph. If you are watching live, you can put hashtag live in the comments and drop a comment on your favorite drink, what you're drinking. For those of you that are new joining me, I started these Cocktail Time with Jamie back in March of 2020. So I've been doing them for over 1.5 years now. Not every day. I try to do them during the week. Some days I get them done, some days I don't. You can catch Marcus and I tomorrow. We'll be doing a wine time live. If I can get on at 4 o'clock, I will do a drink of the day tomorrow. And that's it. So, all right. So we are going to make a Mill 6 hemp raspberry lemonade. So this is Mill 6. Hello, Calvin. Calvin, come get your t-shirt. We have your shirt for you. Just as a reminder, we got to order more t-shirts. If anybody wants any Aroma Time shirts, let us know and we can order one for you. That's probably going to happen in the next couple of weeks here. You can place your order and we'll get you your size and what you'd like. So we do have some shirts, but not many. So this is Mill 6. This is a new product for us. It's hemp white tea ginger flavored vodka. So I'm going to make a lemonade with it. I'm going to add a little bit of agave. And again, you can make this as sweet or as not sweet as you want. Calvin, I've been super busy. Sorry. It's okay, Calvin. So 2 ounces of the Mill 6 hemp. It's hemp white tea ginger flavored vodka. Some lemon juice because we're making lemonade. I'm going to mix this up. And you know, as I'm making this lemonade, I probably did not need to put that much agave in it because this framboise, this Merlot framboise, which is raspberry liqueur, is sweet. So Calvin, yes, I know Calvin. Hope everything is going well with you, Calvin. I've been hearing good things about everything you're up to. So a little bit of raspberry liqueur in there. I'm gonna top it off with some ice. And some water. Whoa, water just went all over me. And mix that on up, and let's taste it and see how this tastes. I haven't made this yet. Courtney found this recipe for me. This will be our recipe on my Wednesday email that will be going out. That is good. So a raspberry hemp white tea ginger flavored vodka with raspberry liqueur, lemonade. I made a fresh lemonade. It's awesome. It's delicious. Come on in, get one. This will probably go on our menu. And that is it. So thank you everybody for watching. Lots of people on today. Don't forget we have jazz on Thursday night at 6:30 out in our garden. The Blueberry Festival is on Saturday along Canal Street. So Canal Street will be closed until about 4 or 5 o'clock. We will be opening on Saturday for drinks at around noon, and our kitchen will open around 3. And that is it. So hello. Thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for your support. Cheers, and I will catch, there's lots of people on, so maybe I should keep talking. What else? I'm trying to think, what am I missing? Anything I'm missing, anybody? Oh yeah, I could talk about Hudson Valley, your car, our driver. We had people go out this weekend. Hopefully they had an awesome time. I'm sure they did. It's $42 an hour. We send a licensed driver to you. They drive your car, drop you back off at home. It's much cheaper than a DWI. Check it out, VIPwineryvacations.com. Courtney, what's the phone number?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know.
Courtney's in charge of that business. So that's a great deal. It's cheaper than a DWI, so this is an awesome little your car, our driver. So 845-272-2070, VIPwineryvacations.com. Save big versus a limo. We'll take you to winery, distilleries, breweries. You want to go out to dinner with your husband, your boyfriend, a friend. You don't want to drive, but you want to be able to drink. We'll do that as well. There's a 4-hour minimum. It's an awesome deal. And that is it on that. Jazz Thursday, looking out for your patrons. Absolutely. You can even come to Aroma Time. We can pick you up and bring you to Aroma Time, have dinner, and bring you back home safely. $42 an hour. And that's it. So cheers, everybody. And I will catch everybody tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.